It's one of those days where temperatures are climbing into the hundreds. Now, we did it for the first time in Waco all year yesterday. Did it again today. We were at least 101 not too long ago. It is 100 in Waco with 100 degrees in Killeen and Temple and Gatesville right now. Hillsboro coming in at 101. And if you're not there, you're awfully close. Lots of sunshine, just a few clouds around. It's been one of those mostly sunny days. I will say that at least the humidity is a little bit lower, so we don't really have a heat index to talk about. When you get these dew points in the 50s, that's in the comfortable range as far as dew points go. I know it's not comfortable heat, but comfortable dew points. And then maybe some 60s dew points could start to add some of that heat index down in the Brazos Valley, but for the most part, we haven't been dealing with that sweltering, humid, kind of muggy weather. So we are still expected to be about 100 by 6 o'clock, 98 degrees and less as we go towards 8, and then still looking at 89 degrees by 9 o'clock. So if you've got some evening places to be, it is going to be quite toasty. Temperatures, or winds rather, still out of the south and the southeast for the next little bit at about 7 to 10 miles per hour. Now, it was pretty hot today and still is, but we'll see a little bit of relief going into Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Your weekend will be characterized by 97 to 95, and then we'll start to see things climb again. 96 to 97, 98 through parts of next week, and those hundreds should be coming back sometime around Thursday. That's when those triple digits should make their way back. So we'll keep just a few clouds around for this evening. Maybe late tonight, some storms could be north of here and maybe just east of central Texas. But as far as the area that we're concerned about, we're not looking at anything happening overnight. Tomorrow, we'll get at least some weak winds coming in from the north. That'll help usher in at least something to pop up some isolated showers and thunderstorms. And you might actually find a better chance of that down to the south. We're talking south of Temple, Killeen, and Marlin. Brazos Valley could catch something. And that's not to say that our northern places like Hillsboro, Meridian, or closer to Waco couldn't see a brief shower somewhere in the area, but we're not going to see too many. Maybe a little bit of thunder with that as well. Saturday, a repeat of that. We're talking some scattered showers and thunderstorms here and there. Perhaps some brief heavy rainfall, but none of these are going to stick around too long. Should be some lightning associated with some of those, but that's going to be about it. Your garden variety stuff. Once we get into tonight, we're talking temperatures falling down into the mid 70s. And then high temperatures tomorrow, not 100. It's going to be 95 to 97, maybe feeling like 100 since we will start to introduce a little bit more humidity this time around, but hopefully things will be looking a little bit better. And it's some of those storms in play that'll help keep us around 95 on Saturday. Just a 20% chance of rain on Sunday. Monday morning could bring around a few storms. That's why I have a 30% chance of rain and storms there. But it really starts to get sunnier and more quiet going into next week after Monday. And that's why we should see those temperatures return to 100 right around next Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And finally, for the Brazos Valley here, 96 over the next couple of days, 95 for Sunday and Monday. We will start to see a drier pattern emerge, which should get us into the upper 90s by the time we reach late next week, closing in on 100.